Still going down. Whew, almost dropped my camera. And the view is still amazing. I feel like I've come in the back door of everything, all the tourist sites that I've come across. Wow. I don't know how well you can see that mountain. Two of them, a few of them actually. But it's pretty cool. Let me see if I can zoom it in. How cool is this? You see that right there? That, not sure what that is, but I sure would like to get to it. I'll have to figure that out one day. Wow, how cool is this? What a view. So I guess I'm supposed to walk down all these steps. I wonder how many there is. Oh. I guess we can call this the second level down. Gotta watch where I'm stepping here. Oh. I don't know why my wimble isn't holding the battery charged lately. And we go down some more. To the next level. Okay, I have my gimbal. Did I call it wimble? Gimbal. On my charger, so let's adventure the next level. Oh, this one's dry water. Let's go and see. How beautiful. I've been looking into a different camera with a wider lens. Getting down to the bottom. I think this is the last level. Let's go down and check it out. This guy looks like he's just peeking out. There's no water in there today. Let's go down and see if this was the last level. So this one definitely is the last level. Wow. I'm surprised I don't have the water on today. I don't know why I'm surprised, but let's take a walk this way. I think today is some kind of a holiday. Wow, that's going to make a good picture. Check that out. It's pretty amazing. It's really nice, actually. As per usual, I never bring any water. You know, when you think about doing all this traveling, taking all this footage, I often wonder for the other people who are taking pictures and vlogging. You know, you're in somebody else's vlog. Truly amazing. Has a big teacup. Oh, look at that one over there. Let me see if I can zoom that in. That's a pretty neat sculpture. I think today is a holiday. I was told, but I don't know what the holiday is. And there it is. The end of our journey, I think. Sometimes I say that and then I find something else interesting. But nice. Okay, let's go across the street. And make an adventure. I've heard of this park. Where they have lots and lots of paintings. So let's go see. Nice. Oh wow, look at that one. So pretty. I'll go around this way. People have such talent. Oh, that's like a 3-section. That's pretty cool. Oh, just paintings everywhere. Oh, there's the guy. Not sure who he is and what he represents, but any statue is somebody pretty important. Oh wow, look at these. Some of them look so real, like they're gonna jump out at you. The dogs here, they rest all day and they go out all night because I can hear them. Really nice. These pomegranate ones are just so realistic. I don't know if you can tell that on the camera, but let's go and see these ones. I don't like to film the boys in uniform. They might not like it. I guess if you want your own picture drawn. I found these 3 guys or 4 guys standing around in the park. I don't know why that dog is giving the garbage guy a hard time. I guess they're not friends. And I cannot read this on the ground. Pretty cool. Okay, so I found out who these 4 men are. The sculptural group presents the 4 actors. Don't ask me to pronounce their names because it doesn't happen. Who played the main roles in the Armenian popular comedy The Men in 1972. The monument is dedicated to the 35th anniversary of the film The Men and the 70th anniversary of the film director. Can't pronounce his name, sorry. Yeah, so I guess it's 4 men that played in the comedy The Men. Pretty neat.